Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about a very good indicator, that's Bollinger Bands. I know a lot of people have heard about it and I know a lot of people are using it, but today I'm going to talk about what it's made up of and how this indicator works and how it will help us in doing intraday trading strategies. So let's start it off. So before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. And also if you're new to our market, if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money consistently in the stock market, I provide NSE and MCX trading course. So the course price are very less and reasonably priced. The details are in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. The link is given in the description below of this video. You guys can visit this link to know all the details. Okay, here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So I can go inside it and watch all the latest earning proof with the ledgers and see how my clients are earning constantly after joining us. So many of the traders got into this program and now they're making money constantly in the stock market. So these are all the latest ledger proof. So go inside it and watch all of these things and see how my clients are earning constantly. And also a lot of people has on the 60 days challenge also. So if you want to make money constantly like this and want to learn and earn, so you can definitely join us now. To join us, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. Okay, and also here you can see feedback messages from my client after taking the course also. So these are the feedback messages what I've got. So you can go inside all these feedback messages, and if you're interested to join me, you can join us now. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit of how it works in a technical manner. So Bollinger Band. So what is Bollinger Bands? A Bollinger Band is a set of lines plotted two standard deviation. So as you guys know, it has an upper band and lower band. So these are the two deviation, that is positively and negatively, away from the simple moving average. The center one in the Bollinger Band is called as simple moving average of the security price. A Bollinger Band developed by a famous technical trader, John Bollinger. So John Bollinger is the one who made the Bollinger Bands. Okay, is a normally plotted two standard deviation away from the simple moving average, but can be adjusted to user preference. So whatever indicator you're trading on, you can adjust it value. Okay, you can do whatever settings you want. Okay, so just click on this and you can actually adjust the period and standard deviation and all of these things. So as you can see, the center red line one is a median. Okay, and these two are the bands, upper bands and lower bands. Okay, so this is how it looks. So to use Bollinger Band in intraday trading, so 15 minutes or 30 minutes will be good enough. Okay, so now let's break down what are the things consistent of Bollinger Bands. Okay, so Bollinger Bands are highly popular technique. Many traders believe that closer the price move to the upper band, the more overbought of the market, and the closer the price move to the lower band, the more oversold of the market. So John Bollinger had a set of 22 rules to follow them when using the bands as a trading system. That means 22 set of rules what John Bollinger has made for this using. Okay, so in the two popular things I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so the one is the squeeze. The squeeze is a central concept of a Bollinger Band. When the bands come close together, constructing the moving average, it is called squeeze. A squeeze signal a period of low volatility and is considered by a trader to be potentially sign of future increased volatility and possible trade opportunities. Conversely, the wide part of bands move, the more likely the chance of decrease in the volatility and the greater the possibility of exiting the trades. However, these conditions are not a trading signal. The band give no indication when the change may take place or which direction the price could move. Okay, so this means there will be no indication of the trade, but the band can indicate how the volatility of the stock or market can be. Okay, the next thing is a breakout. Approximately 90% of the price action occurs between the two bands. Any breakout above or below the bands is a major event. Okay, so that's when is a gap out and gap down. So this is when it occurs. The breakout is not a trading signal. So again, it's not a trading signal, but it's an indication. Okay, the mistake most of people make is believing that the price hitting or exiting one of the band is a signal to buy or sell. That's a mistake. Okay, that's not a buy or sell signal. Breakouts provide no clue as a direction and extent of future price movement. Okay, so it's just a breakout what is happening, that indicates the market is gap up or gap down. So that's the indication of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so these are the knowledge about Bollinger Band what I want to give you guys. Okay, in my channel I made a new recent video using the strategy of this one, that is intraday trading strategy using moving average and SAR, that is parabolic SAR. So you can watch that video if you're not yet watched. So that's a technical strategy. So like that, I'll be making a video on this also by the Bollinger Band. So if you're interested, do let me know in the comment section below. So I'll be making a video on it. And also guys, if you're taking my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in the trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique strategies, no indicators required. I'll be teaching you good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment rate of just 10,000 rupees. Okay, and I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also, as you guys know, core price are less and reasonably priced. So that are the content of my course. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and everything are there in my channel. So go inside it and watch all of this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, so stay tuned for that. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.